Sup guys, welcome back to my channel Things Unboxing for you. So today we're going to be unboxing Xiaomi's Mi A3 and this is like one of the good phones which I could find on Amazon. So we're going to be unboxing this and I'll tell you all the features of this phone. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it. I'll just take out the seal. I've taken it out. Let's open it. So first I'll show you the box content and then I'll tell you the features. So here in this thing you get a selected tool for inserting the SIM. You get some user guides and then you get a back case for the phone. So I'll quickly take out everything. Here's the phone itself, and inside we have the charger, the cable. We have the cable and the charger. So here is all the content: the back cover, adapter, phone, charger and some user guides. So this phone which I have ordered is the variant of 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and also it has a notch display. As you can see, it has a 48 megapixel triple camera at the back, and the selfie camera is 32 megapixels. And the color of this phone is kind of grey, as it's written over here. Kind of grey is the color. So here are some features which I told you. So this comes with Gorilla Glass and a 6-inch display and supports 18-watt fast charging. So let me boot this up. So we'll remove the peel, the one behind also. So this is kind of grey color, looks very shiny from the back. So here there's a triple camera, 48 megapixel, and we have a flashlight here. The volume, here's the volume button and the power button. And on top you have the aux port, infrared blaster and a microphone. And below you have speakers and Type-C charger. And to the left you have the SIM card tray. So let's check what kind of SIM slot is there. So the tool that they gave is here. Looks like this. So as you can see, it is a hybrid SIM slot and not a dedicated one. So you also can put an SD card over there. So let's boot this up. There you go, Android one. So the processor in this phone is Snapdragon 665 and the UI is Android 1. So let's wait for this to boot up. So this comes with a 4030 mAh battery, which is really good. So I'll just set everything up. So this page has come. I'll just keep it for now. I'll just quickly connect it to Wi-Fi. it's taking a bit more time. And it also has a dual SIM. I'm just waiting for this to boot up. I'll just skip this step for now. It is a 6-inch display with notch style camera, and you can see some things being installed. So that was the unboxing, guys. I'll do some tests with this phone in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and smash the subscribe button which is down there. Thanks for watching the video.